Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting a working metal snap trap and clearing the area. Use a small pea-sized dab of peanut butter on the trigger to attract the mouse. Once done, place the trap 1-2 cm from the baseboard with the trigger facing the wall because mice run along edges. Make sure you wear gloves to avoid leaving human scent and be deliberate when compressing the spring. Steady hands reduce accidental snaps and ensure the bait stays in place. You now arm and position the trap carefully. Compress the metal bar slowly and engage the latch in the correct orientation for that model, because a mislatched trap won't trigger. Place multiple traps 3-6 ft apart along suspected paths. Once done, tuck them behind furniture or boxes to increase success. Make sure to check traps twice daily. Regular checks prevent decay, reduce odor, and let you reset or dispose of any catch promptly. You finish by handling results safely. If you caught a mouse, dispose of it per local rules using gloves and a sealed bag, or use tongs to move the trap, then sanitize the area. If the trap misfires, make adjustments, clean the mechanism, tighten screws, or replace a weakened spring because worn parts cause failures. If you get false trips, reduce the bait size, stabilize the trap on a flat surface, and shift placement a few inches to improve alignment and reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.